Hello everyone. Here we will do the technical analysis of Euro US dollar EUR USD. And here you can see here I am showing you the chart of 5 minutes. From here you can choose any time frame. Like if you want to see the chart of last 1 second, you can see the chart of 1 second also. But for that you need to take pro. Okay. So I think I will choose a chart of 15 minutes. Okay. And you can see here I have the indicator which I will use for now is EMA. Okay, so from here you can see that I will choose EMA indicator here. And what is happening here? Okay, so you can see here now it is going down. Why? Because green color is down here. Okay, here is 3 indicator: red color, pink color and green color. If red color will be down with green and pink color, so here it will go down. Okay, with minus 0.10 with 1% it will go down. Okay, and if red color will be above green and pink color, so it will go up. Let me make this clear. If red color will go down with green and pink color, it will go down. If red color will go up, it will go up. Okay, so like this you can see any chart. Okay, so while seeing any trading chart, we will must not depend on one crypto only. So before investment, do a proper crypto market research. And let me make this. Okay, now you can see here that red color is down and green and pink color is up. From here red color is going up. Okay, so you can see a good entry point, but it will take time now, because first red color will come here. Okay, and from here if it go up, then we can say that there can be an increasement in of 1% or 2%. And before investment, do a prop I'm sorry, means before doing a trading, do a proper research.